Gel Press fans, it's Lynne Forsythe here, coming to you from northern New Hampshire. Now, Labor Day is come and gone. The kids have all gone back to school, and it basically signals the end of summer. Now, don't get me wrong, I love summer. Can you tell? I love summer. I love being outside. I love everything about it. But I am almost overwhelmed in the fall, because our mountains and hills become alive with colors. Reds, yellows, oranges, greens, browns, you name it. It is gorgeous. So I needed to create some decorations for my upcoming creative happening that's going on in October. So I pulled out my gel press, some acrylic paints, and created these beauties. Do you see it? Oh my gosh! And these really are a good representation of what the colors of fall are. So to start creating the leaves, I've got an 8x10 gel press. I've got a 5x7 gel press. I'm going to be using packing tape. This is kind of an old school packing tape. I'm sure they still use them. It's got an adhesive one on one side and craft on the other. So all I'm doing is I'm just hydrating that adhesive with a little bit of water, and I'm going to stick these two pieces together because that's going to be the back part of the leaves. I also have some dictionary paper that I've cut in half. I've gathered a few colors, the colors of fall. So we've got green. Let's see, we've got evergreen, we've got ruby, we've got lime, we've got cheddar, and we've got lemon. So I'm just going to begin the process by adding some colors over here onto this 5x7 gel press. All right, so I'm going to take my brayer. I think for this one, I'm going to start off with some green. And I'm not looking to cover the whole thing in one color, because if you've ever looked at a leaf, which always seems to astound me, is the fact that colors that would muddy normally in nature don't. Let's add a little bit of some red in here. I'm gently going to kind of give it a little blendy so we don't have too many edgy marks. So first I'm going to take the dictionary paper, we're going to place it down here. And then I'm going to flip it over. And because of what this paper is, it does like to curl, so I just kind of pull it like that. And it is wet, so I'm just going to use another surface to help get that pushed down. And there you have it. So that's for one set of the leaves. Now for the other set, I'm going to use that packing tape. I think I need a little bit more green on this one. A bit more green down here. All right. So now we're going to take this, push it on here, get a nice push down so you've got to pull. Oh, not quite enough. All right, we'll go back. Perfect, see? I'm going to do that one. Perfect. All right, so now I need to dry them. Okay, so I had some old foliage decorations from before, and I just took one of the maple leaves off, plucked it off the decoration, traced around the outside of it, and made some patterns. So this is the original size, and then I reduced this one. And there you have it. Give it a little crinkle, because we know that leaves don't lay flat. All right, so I've got that one piece, and then over here, cut all three of these at once. All righty, so there those are. Hey, both-sided, how cool is that? Yay! I absolutely love it. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna once again crinkle those up also. Now I'm going to take this little darling right here, staple them together, and there you have it. There's part of the decorations. And then I just took a needle and some thread. I have a whole bunch of silk thread, and I created this beautiful garland, which will decorate my upcoming creative happening. So I hope you've enjoyed my fall leaves, and I hope that you'll come back again. Until then, be creative. Bye.